New E46 Ashtray, USB plus voltmeter. Installation tutorial. Here are the tools needed. Interior pry tool, Phillips screwdriver, pilot drill bit 1/8, large drill bit 1/2, electric drill. Remove the shift boot. Disconnect the wiring. Remove the screws. Remove the trim panel. Disconnect the window switches. Remove the insulation. Remove the screws. Remove the climate control panel. Disconnect the terminals. Remove the screws. Remove the trim panel. Disconnect the terminals. Remove the old ashtray. Now, drill a small hole here with the pilot drill bit. Then use the 1/2 inch drill bit. Pass the wires through the hole you just made. Now, install this panel back into the car. Connect up the right angle terminals. Now, connect all other terminals. Seat the panel back into place. Screw the panel back into place. Connect the climate control panel. Install the shifter trim panel. Connect the window switches. Screw the panel back into place. Install the insulation. Install the shifter boot. Test your voltmeter and USB ports.